Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Eni Alimia. Here I will explain about the impact of using handphone. My purpose is to inform you about the impact of using handphone, both the positive and negative impact handphone on our life. Handphone are now commonplace to be found in everyday life. Even children at the age of elementary school and kindergarten many have their own handphone. The positive impact of using handphone, the first is to simple communication. The most basic role of human colonization is communication. Today, handphones have the ability to connect people from all over the world, no matter where they are. Not only that, it's easy to carry and access. Communication has never been easier. Social media applications also play a big role in communication, allowing us to talk to our loved one every day. The second is a medium of entertainment. Handphone has a lot of entertainment feature. For example, from the latest Hollywood blockbuster to national news highlight, handphone have all of this. We no longer have to wait for our favorite TV show or news highlight. With one touch of your screen and get access to whatever you want to see. Hence, sometimes the handphone also serves as a gaming platform for people looking for relaxation or just to kill some time. Thirdly, handphone become daily utilities. Apart from entertainment and communication, handphone now have applications that help us do the same daily tasks without facing any hassle. From paying bills, ordering taxi and hotels, to online maps for navigation purpose, capturing moments or unforgettable memories with the built-in camera. Handphone do it all. For handphone can improve our ability to organize. Thing is order organization. Modern humans are too tripod to keep track of everything. Handphone help us to stay organized. You can save important documents and notes, memos, and so on. Send an email. Calendar and stopwatch are basic tools found in all handphones. We have to admit that life without handphone is impossible, but no matter how useful a handphone is, we can ignore that negative effect that underlie it. Some of the negative impact of using handphone are: the first is addiction. Yes, handphone addiction is a thing. Nomophobia is a name proposed for the phobia being outside of handphone contact. 50% of adolescents admit to being addiction to handphone. Studies show that people who are addiction to handphone are often associated with depression, anxiety, and other mental disorders. Secondly, handphone only make us waste time. The average person check his or her phone once every day, 12 minutes, which is why 80 times a day. Most of the time people just check their handphone for no apparent reason. Even When you are now on your handphone, you may often see people fidgeting around their phone. According to Flurry, the average American adult spends more than 5 hours a day on his handphone, about 150 hours a month. The third, handphone can cause depression. As discussed earlier, handphone can cause depression, especially among teenagers. With the outbreak of social media, teens have become obsessed with like on their posts and personal account. In addition, reduced daily life interaction lead to loneliness and anxiety. And the fourth can cause crashes. People cannot rule on the fact that handphones are such a huge nuisance. You might often decide to just check for updates and instead find yourself surfing the internet for hours without realizing it. The reason is the distraction it has. Students in particular have to go through the ordeal of giving their handphone to their parents just so they can focus on their study. So, although handphones have made our life easier, they also have a negative effect on us. The conclusion is that we might not be able to live without handphone, but we can take steps to reduce the negative effect. For example, a person may spend less time on their handphone. A person should try to communication face to face whenever possible rather than relying on his or her handphone for every little task. This way, we can focus on the positive and reduce the negative. That's all I can say. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.